Just listen. The enchanted warbler's singing its happy little heart out. Oh, something gave him a fright. I wonder what it was. I can hear a lot of moaning and groaning.
Away!
What's going on in the Enchanted Garden? Let's go and take a look.
Go away! Stop eating my lovely pansies, you... Buzz off! Shoo! Oh, you silly insects! You're ruining my lovely flowers.
Oh, come on, man. Oh, man, this carrot pulling scene is killing me.
Honestly, look at this. Oh, not a decent bone in sight. Hardly worth a nibble. What a bore.
What possessed me to promise all my friends spicy hogwort and sweet pea dip? I'll be cooking for days.
I knew it. One of my silver spoons is missing. My priceless collection is incomplete. Oh, I must find it. It must be here somewhere.
Oh, it's hard work keeping a barrel organ in good working order at my age. Oh, dear.
I see. Now I know what all the moaning and groaning is about. My friends are unhappy. Fear not. Zebedee will take all your worries away. Florence will be much better off without that troublesome flower garden. And Dougal's smelly old bone patch can go too. Now Mr. Rusty will have nothing to worry about. Excellent. If I get rid of everything that Ermintrude cooks with, she'll never have to slave over a hot stove again. Dylan will sleep a lot better if he doesn't have any carrots to worry about. Aha! Brian's collections cause him so much distress. Best not to have them at all. A job well done. No more moaning and groaning in the Enchanted Garden. Just happy, happy people with not a care in the world. Tra-la!
Oh, no. I can't believe it. My lovely flower garden has gone. Disappeared.
I know my bone patch is round here somewhere.
Oh, my barrel organ's gone. Oh, no. Is it possible that there's a thief in the Enchanted Garden?
Oh, everything's gone. Oh, I'll never be able to cook again.
Like, where have all my fabulous carrots gone, man? Out of sight, man.
First I lose a teaspoon, and now my entire collection of collections has disappeared.
One minute I had a flower garden, and the next it was gone.
I can tell you, losing my bone patch was the biggest shock of my life.
One of my greatest joys. I shall never cook again.
Like, I've lost all my beautiful carrots, man.
It's a lifetime's work, disappeared off the face of the earth.
I believe a thief has crept into the Enchanted Garden and taken everything we love.
But how could a thief take everything at exactly the same time?
Zebedee.
Oh yeah, Zebedee.
He wouldn't.
He has.
The cheeky rascal.
Why would he do such a wicked thing?
Who knows why with Zebedee?
I wonder if he realises what he's done to us all.
He should jolly well have a taste of his own medicine.
Here,
See how he likes it.
What medicine? Yes, I quite agree with you on that, Dougal.
Well, you might have a point there.
I've got an idea. The magic casket. Yeah, the magic. What's the magic gasket, man? Look, Dylan, I'll explain this very slowly. Zebedee gets his magic from the roundabout, and without the magic gasket, there is no magic.
So if you switch the gasket off, Zebedee would lose something precious just like we did.
Yes, he'd lose his magic. But not like forever, man. Oh, it will come back as soon as I switch the gasket back on.
Let's do it!
Yes!
I hate the thought of upsetting darling Zebedee.
You've got to be joking, Florence. Just think about what he's done to us.
As long as it's only a temporary arrangement.
Those in favour, say aye.
Aye.
Aye!
I.
What's happening? Oh, really? All my magic's gone. I can't do anything without my magic. I'm useless. Nothing. Nobody.
Have you seen poor Zebedee? He's a shadow of his former self.
He's like destroyed, man.
I can never come back to the Enchanted Garden.
It's got to stop, Mr. Rusty. You must switch the magic gasket back on.
Enough's enough. Zebedee mustn't be allowed to suffer a minute longer.
Yes.
Okay, then.
Yes.
Abracadabra!
The magic's back.
Like wow with extra wow and a side order of wow!
What a relief.
I'm Magic Zebedee again! I don't understand what happened. 1 minute I was magic, the next minute I wasn't.
Well,
We were like, I'm seriously fed up with you, man.
Fed up with me? Why?
You did rather upset us all, you know.
What did I do?
Zebedee, you took away the things we love the most.
Of course I took them away. What? They were making you unhappy. You were moaning and groaning about all the work you had to do. So I took all your worries away.
I was only complaining about the insects that were eating my flowers.
I suppose I was moaning quite a lot when I was cooking my spicy Hogwarts sweet pea dip.
I grumbled a bit too.
You were all complaining. That's why I thought I was doing you a favor. Stand back. Here comes some really serious magic.
You smell so sweet. Nice to have you back.
66, 67, 68, 69. All there. Jolly good.
Like, don't you little carrots ever leave your cool daddy-o again.
Nothing like cooking up a storm.
All there, completely intact. I don't ever recall being as happy as this in my entire life.
Peaceful afternoon's bone crunching.
Everybody happy?
Yes!
Any complaints?
Please, Zebedee, don't ever think of changing anything again. The Enchanted Garden is perfect, just the way it is.
All in favour, say aye.
I think it means it's time to party!
I wish
it was time for bed.